4 स्कूलों को आपने हेल्प किया, हर बच्चे को आप एक स्कूल बैग दे रहे हैं सर, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से ऑफ दिस इनिशिएटिव?
Basically, Bhutani Care is a part of Bhutani Group. Bhutani Care motto is to connect with the society and to help the people who actually deserve to be their support. To like in the terms of education, people, the students like sitting here needs some support to grow their education field, as well as we work in various other fields like to environment, to support environment, to do the health camp of the people. There are many initiatives which are being taken under care of Bhutani Care. We are here to support society in our every field. We are here for the people who needs support, and we are not here to just for a business. We are here to just make a relationship and a healthy and prosperous for each and everyone.
सर अभी जब यहाँ पर स्पीच चल रहा था, सडनली आपने एक अनाउंस किया है कि ये स्कूलों में जो बच्चा उत्तम परफॉर्मेंस करेगा उसको भूटानी की तरफ से जो मांगेगा वो मिल जाएगा. इज दैट
ये यू कैन मेक माई वर्ड, दैट्स माई गारंटी. आप मेरे विटनेस है. एनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट who will be doing something extraordinary, like he will be, if somebody is going for Olympic or somebody is earning something for the country, whatever the expenses will be for his success is required, we will be stand for it.
Yes, thank you. आपने मेडिकल कैंप वगैरह कुछ किया है?
हाँ, मेडिकल कैंप अभी किया था. बेसिकली क्या है, we don't do advertisement. We do many of the things all over pan India basis, like health camp for the people, blood donation camp, plants distribution camp to support the environment, education for the students. We run almost 100 schools in pan India basis, but that is a part of Bhutani Care. So we run as Bhutani Care as a kind of NGO, not as a part of business. So we don't show classes as people do. Again, it's my wording. We are here for the people. Whoever needs us, we will be always there. Thank you.
सगळ्यात पयली म्हणजे भुतानी केअर आनी तेंची पुराय टीम जी हांगा आसा तांचें अभिनंदन करता की तांच्यांनी मुखार येवन हो कार्यक्रम हांवें घडोवन हाडलो. म्हणजे बाय लिबी हिणें फुडाकार घेतलो. शी इज अ स्पेशल एड्युकेटर. कशें आसता की आमी जेन्ना पर्सन वीथ डिसेबिलिटीज म्हणटा खुबश्यो गजाली आसा त्यो आमकां करच्यो पडटा आनी त्यो कंटिन्युअसली करच्यो पडटा. अशें ना की एकदां दिलें आनी काम सोंपलें. हांवें तांकां म्हज्या कडल्यान तेच विनंती केल्या की इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर उबें करपाची खूब गरज आसा फॉर अ लाँग टर्म पॉसिबिलिटी. हांवें म्हळें की आमचे भुरगे जर्मनी वचून आयले, गोल्ड मेडल्स, दे वन गोल्ड मेडल्स फॉर द कंट्री. Para Olympics is also coming. We need to train our students to participate in Para Olympics as well, and that is the next step that the government of Goa is very keen to do it. Apart from there, vocational training center is the need of the hour for adults with intellectual disabilities. 18 वर्सां पर्यंतची भुरगीं नॉर्मली स्कुलान वता, पण ताच्या फुडें जेन्ना भुरगीं व्हड जाता 25, 30, 40, that is a major concern for parents. What after us? So ताच्या खातीर म्हाका दिसता सरकारूय खूब पावलां मारीत आसा, खुबश्यो स्किमी हाडटा, पण ताच्याच बरोबर प्रायवेट प्लेयर जे आसा आणि म्हणून म्हणटा की भुतानी केअर सारकी जी कंपनी आसा ती मुखार येवन ह्या सगळ्या कॉजाक सपोर्ट करता, म्हणून तांचे सगळ्यांक खूब अभिनंदन करता.
स्कूलां, स्पेशल स्कूल्स स्पोर्ट्स आयटम्स दिल्ले आहा आनी बॅग फॉर एवरी 400 स्टुडंट्स दे गिवन बॅग्स. सो यू हॅव बीन कोऑर्डिनेटिंग. सो हाउ वॉज युअर जर्नी? हाउ यू गॉट टू ऑर्गनाइज दिस?
Okay, first of all, I'm really grateful and really touched with Bhutani for taking this initiative and giving things without any self-interest, without thinking a step back. They have taken a step forward and given something for the children, because our children don't need sympathy, they need empathy, and that's what they have shown our children. And they have really spent a lump sum of amount. It's like I told them, like, sir, I want such a thing, and then okay, fine, go buy. I want something, okay, fine. There was no limitation for me actually. When I told him the number, even when I told him the number of the bags, he not like, they said, okay, fine, you just go and pick up the bags. And like, Sir Vivek and Chandanu sir, Amit sir, I'm really grateful for them. Like from the bottom of my heart, on behalf of all the children, I'm really thankful for them for giving our children something which was really needed for them. Because what happens, most of our children come from the town children families, and some of them they cannot afford. So this was something what was a need, and especially the sports item is a need for our children, and that's whatever is a need for our children, they have given a need, and they've also promised that they are always there for us children in Goa. So whenever I knock at their door, they are going to open the door for me. No sir, when I knock the door, you're going to open the door for me.
How many schools are involved, DB, today?
Okay, today we have Ashadip, today we have Sanjay, Gujarati Samaj, and we have Our Lady of Desero who have come over here.
How many students you are going to give bags?
We have around 400 bags which have come over here. So we are going to distribute 400 bags to the students, plus the food kits also
to all the 4 schools?
Yeah, to all the schools who are present over here.
Thank you.